There's how I keep my smoker up here. Tie it onto the ladder. Way up high. There's my saw. Got my holes already. We got started taking off this roofing. I'm going to pick it up. Yeah, buddy. Wow. All days I should have brought my super gigantic bucket. Today is a day. Of course the customer are going to get the majority of this. Beautiful honey. What a hive. There's still all that under there to go. Wow. So it's going to be a lot of trips up and down the ladder for me. They're going to have to give it up, but they're going to get a new home and not be harassed anymore.